125 years ago, the Norwegian explorer and researcher Fridtjof Nansen set out on a daring expedition to drift with the Arctic sea ice to the North Pole. He set a record for the farthest anyone had ever traveled north. Now, in September of 2019, a team of scientists from 17 nations will undertake another historic expedition and conduct the most complex year-long study of the central Arctic climate. Named after the North Star, the German icebreaker Polarstern is a multidisciplinary drifting observatory for the study of Arctic climate. Mosaic is an international scientific collaboration. Their goal is to collect data about the system-wide processes that impact the Arctic sea ice. The Mosaic scientists will study many things, like how changes in the Arctic atmosphere affect cloud formation, how Arctic clouds affect the sea ice cover, how the sea ice affects the ocean, and how changes in the ocean affect ecosystems. What makes this expedition so unique is how scientists on board the ship will study all of these connections for a full year. They'll endure bitter cold months in continuous darkness, followed by months when the sun never sets. The Polarstern will begin its voyage in Tromsø, Norway, and set sail to the Arctic Ocean, north of the Northern Lights, to embark on the largest expedition to the Central Arctic. Using Nansen's pioneering drift technique, the flow of sea ice will decide where the scientists set up their surrounding networks of research stations. These scientists will help answer pressing questions about our future, including your questions.
How will the Mosaic expedition impact our daily lives?
What is the best way to educate people in the United States about climate change happening in the Arctic?
Warum ist es am Nordpol mal wärmer gewesen als in Deutschland?
What can I do to help prevent negative changes impacting the Arctic
北極
ecosystem?
の氷が溶けたら日本にどのような影響を与えるのでしょうかということ
My
です。
question is, how might the changes in the Arctic climate impact the thermohaline?
My question is, how does the climate change that's happening in the Arctic relate to the climate in the Antarctic?
Como verá, en Nederland.
What's the difference between rubble ice and
How the Arctic
The Mosaic team is producing an immersive film that brings this expedition into planetarium theaters around the world. Artists, scientists, engineers, and educators will capture stunning visual and audio content, bringing the mission to you. We want you to be part of our story. Ask your questions and learn with the scientists as they explore the Arctic and be a part of Mosaic's legacy. Join the Mosaic team as they brave the Arctic winter, face unimaginable challenges, and encounter the beauty and vulnerability of this vast, frozen frontier. Over the next year, follow the journey.